Hello everyone. I'm Clover. Welcome to Mini Yummy. Oh my god, you are so naughty. Hey, stop. That's not food. I have an idea. First, we will put the flour in. Take a little bit of sugar. Add butter. And can't forget the fresh milk. Finally, add an egg. Mix and stir thoroughly. Next, pour the cake batter into the baking pan. Bake the cake for 30 minutes. The cake should be divided into multiple pieces. Keep cutting in accordance with the design. Excellent! The 4 cake slices have been expertly sliced. A layer of cake, then a layer of cream. Continue like this until the end. The cake will then be decorated to resemble an egg beater. Spread it evenly on the cake. Wrap a fondant around the cake and smooth it into place. Trim off the excess. Be careful. Put some more prepared decorations. Stunning! A cup made of chewy candy. Incorporate some buttercream inside. Perfect! Wow, the sofa cake is complete. It looks very delicious. I want to eat the cake right now. For my dog. Baby, be good at home. Thank you for watching. Please like and share to support me. I will bring more interesting videos.